Good morning.
You train to hike somewhere?
Yes.
Yeah? Where are you trained to hike?
Toward the East Mesa.
So, if you don't have snowshoe, you won't make it.
What is it?
No snowshoe?
Um,
You have snowshoe or no?
no.
It won't work. It's super deep. It's super deep. After the trailhead, when you enter the park, it's like 3 feet of snow.
Oh,
And I passed people this week who 2 days ago they tried to go and they just turned around. They did like 3 feet into the park and they just turned around. It was like too much snow.
okay.
They didn't have snowshoe.
Okay.
So just warn you right now, you may not make it. So I prefer to warn you here. And you do whatever you want. But I just passed people 2 days ago and they turn around.
Okay.
So I don't think it's better now. The roads are more or less clear till the trailhead, but from the trailhead to the point of view, it's going to be a hassle for you.
Oh.
Just FYI. And right now it's fine. This in the afternoon is just like a massive river coming down because everything melts.
Mm-hmm.
So it's not that great of a hike right now.
Okay.
Just FYI.
Hello.
No, just wait for this.
Hey. Hello.
Hi.
Now
Let's
you
see.
have to,
What?
now you have to lead the way.
Yes, I was counting on your footprints. Yeah.
40 pounds.
Good luck.
You done?
Yes, I mean there is a long way remaining in the same elevation, and it's going to be probably the same
Yeah.
kind of ice. So,
Yeah,
so I'm not going to go.
change.
Yeah.
We're just crazy.
Yes, I mean it's an adventure.